Good evening, viewers. Once again, we are with a special topic: unbox investment or not, as of the market scenario. Today, we have seen a plunge of the index, drag down 1000 points. But why? Bankruptcy, insolvency, not sufficient stimulus provided by the central government, and also COVID-19 breakout. This all together dragged Sensex down 1000 points. But what to do? The fact is, market is not going anywhere. Market is very much range bound. Maybe it's a wide range of 2000 point Nifty trading around. The ceiling is 9500 roughly, and bottom is 7500. Nowhere we are sustaining. We are trading within the range, so nothing to be afraid of. And easy way to trade in this market: wait for the correction. As soon as it comes to the support, buy and exit when it comes to the resistance. This way market will keep on moving for the coming few months. And once upon a time, when all these factors will be removed, all these issues will be removed, COVID-19 will be slipping under the table, then market will start with the new breakout. But that is a little time going forward. We can see as I said earlier, making an average of ceiling of Nifty and bottom of Nifty, that 8650 is the base value of Nifty. So as much discounted price we will get to buy, that much money we can make out of that. I have said the same thing little bit in my earlier show also. And the very near term view, if 8400 support, presently working as a final support, if it breaks down, we may drag up to 7800 level. That is the Nifty trading part. And I will discuss also the global index, that is Dow Jones. Dow Jones is also range bound as Nifty is trading. The ceiling of Dow is 24650. It will not exceed beyond 24650. And in case of DAX of Germany index, 10950 means 10,950 is the ceiling. Beyond that we can't expect. In case of Europe and European countries, we can see little bit more correction, rather US. So we cannot afraid, and we cannot miss the opportunity of correction with the excuse of I was afraid of, that's why I couldn't buy. This is my suggestion to you. As far as Indian market is concerned about, if rupee depreciate, foreign investor will come in for their own interest, because for an example, I am taking 1 USD equals to 74 rupees was 2 months back. Now if it is trading 1 USD equal to 76 Indian rupee, they are getting a currency appreciation of 2.70%, whereas in US there is no return on capital in fixed income and such and such, because interest rates are very close to zero there, somewhere very even zero. Yes, one more thing. The COVID aftershock, COVID-19 aftershock in economy, and their operating profit downtrend is going to be factored in the next quarter, that is in the month of June. But I think it will take little more time to get fully corrected. Means we are comfortably getting the month June blue chip companies at discounted rate. So once again I am approaching you to go with the investment opportunities you are getting that we have got in 2008 recession last time. Thank you very much.